Good afternoon, everybody. We are going to make a nice snack. Anybody can eat this snack. I can't remember where I saw it or read about it, but I said, I'm going to make that because that looks really yummy. And even kids can make this when they're home from school, like a lot of children are right now, and they don't have to bother their parents. I believe it's a little healthy, or it could be made healthy, and I'm going to show you what you need. You need some honey oats bars, and I got these ones at the Dollar Tree. I wasn't sure, I've never had them before, so I didn't know if I was going to like them. So you need some of these, and you need some peanut butter of your choice, and you need a banana. That's it. How easy can that be? So I'm going to be trying something new for the first time. I'm going to take it out. I believe as long as it says oats and honey, that's what I remember reading. And I just read this and saw this about a month ago and said, I need to try that. Actually, how's the nutritional value on this? It's got 190 calories, 140 milligrams of sodium, and 1 gram of saturated fats, and 11 total sugars. That's for the whole package. 2 bars is 190 calories. Per container is 380. So that's not too bad. The ingredients is whole grain, oats, sugar, canola oil, rice flour, honey, salt, brown sugar, syrup, baking soda, soy lithium, and natural flavoring. May contain soy, peanut, and almond, and pecan ingredients. This is out of Minnesota, Minneapolis. This happens to be that brand. So let's give it a try. Like I said, I don't know. Never know till you try it. I'm trying to cut back. I have to on my sugar. Oh my, there's 2 of them in here. Whoops, I just broke the bar. Or the bar was broke. But that's okay. We're just going to take it out. Got a lot of crumbs in here. Maybe I could mix it up with peanut butter and put it on toast. That sounds good, doesn't it? So then, what it said was you take some peanut butter and you want to put it on each bar like this. And it showed a good liberal amount on. It said slather it right on. So that's what I'm doing. I'm slathering it right on. Just like this. And if you wanted a little more healthier, you could make your own peanut butter, which I've made in the past. It's really yummy. Okay, then it says you want to take some bananas and you just want to top it. Just like this. Now I'm going to make these. I may have to put a few in a container because I'm not going to eat all these. Looks like I may have a little bit of banana left over. That's what I can do. I can take the crumbs, I can take some peanut butter, put it on toast, and put bananas on top for tomorrow's breakfast. Sounds like a plan to me. Okay. And this is what it's going to look like when you get it all done. It's a simple snack, quick snack. It looks like a pretty darn good healthy one too. Look at that. Yum, yum. So, I'm doing the smallest one. And got leftover bananas. Let's see. It's very good. I like crunch, but it's kind of hard. I always worry about my teeth. I don't know. I might as well eat the last bite. Truly yummy. Yummy, yummy in this Grammie's tummy right here. So there you have it right there. Crunchy granola bars. And that is the oats and honey, peanut butter, bananas, and the finished product. Quick, easy snack. Please give me thumbs up so YouTube can recognize what's going on over here at MAINEiac Grammie's. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Let me know if you've had these before. Leave a comment below. And would you try these? Let me know. Bye now.